This video will guide you through replacing the license plate light bulb on a 2019-2021 Chevrolet Suburban. A functioning license plate light is crucial for safety and legal compliance. This is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. For replacing the license plate light on your 2019-2021 Chevrolet Suburban, you'll need a 194 style incandescent bulb, typically 5 watts, or an LED equivalent that fits the same socket. Common tools include a flathead screwdriver or trim tool to gently pry off the lens cover without causing damage. Gloves are recommended to keep the bulb clean and avoid fingerprints or oils that could affect performance. LED upgrades offer significantly longer lifespans, up to 10,000 hours compared to 1,000 hours for incandescent bulbs, making them a worthwhile investment. Locate the license plate light assembly. It's a small rectangular housing usually centered above the rear license plate. It is held in place by a lens cover. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver or trim tool to pry off the lens cover. Be gentle to avoid scratching the surrounding area. Wedge the tool in the side of the assembly and lightly twist. With the lens cover removed, gently pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. It should come out with minimal force. If it's stuck, wiggle it slightly to loosen it. Insert the new bulb into the socket. Ensure it's fully seated. Test the light by turning on your vehicle's lights or opening the tailgate. If it doesn't light up, try rotating the bulb 180 degrees, as LEDs are polarity sensitive. Carefully reattach the lens cover, ensuring it snaps securely into place. Make sure it's flush with the surrounding area to prevent moisture from entering. If the new bulb doesn't work, check your vehicle's fuses to ensure they're not blown. Also, consider upgrading to an LED bulb for increased lifespan and brightness compared to incandescent bulbs. In coastal areas, clean the contacts with electrical cleaner to prevent corrosion from salt and moisture. Remember, proper lighting reduces license plate-related accidents by improving visibility at night.